Ready to level up your coding collaboration game? First things first, let's get to the basics of a pull request. It's the backbone of collaborative code. Before we begin, ensure you've already made your code changes and pushed them to a dedicated branch in your forked or your own GitHub repository. Got it? Alright, let's create one. Navigate to the Pull Requests tab of your GitHub repository and click the button that asks to initiate a new pull request. This will trigger creation of a new pull request. Now you will need to address the comparison page here. GitHub will help you compare the change by the name you chose in terms of the target or base branch, which is often main or master, where you want your changes to end up. With your branch for compare, double-check the branches in the drop-down. The comparison should highlight the specific differences. Once you're satisfied, click the big green Create Pull Request button. This is when the magic truly initiates a pull request. Next up comes the title. Keep it concise and descriptive, something the team can easily understand. Now, to write a clear description. Explain why you made these changes. Be thorough here. Explain the reasoning, what the changes accomplish, and include any related issues or context. This helps reviewers understand your work. Right using markdown text or bullet points for better understanding. Once the pull request is created, it's time for a code review. Reviewers will analyze your changes and leave comments on your code. Be ready for feedback. Respond to comments promptly and address concerns. The Conversations tab is great to discuss the changes now. Update your branch according to the feedback. Your pull request will be updated based on your changes. After your changes get a thumbs up with a successful review, you'll be able to finally merge your changes. Click the green Merge Pull Request button, and voila! Your code changes are now a living part of the main branch. Celebrate your successes with a high five. You've successfully created your first pull request.